Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set your favorite contacts at widget on iPhone home screen. Then tap and hold the iPhone home screen, then tap on plus. Here in the search bar we have to search for contacts. Now select the contacts. If you want to add a one, then we have to tap on add widget. Otherwise swipe left and you have to add the 4 contacts. If you want to more than 4, then you have to add 6 contacts as a widget in your iPhone home screen. Now I'm going to select the first one and tap add widget. This is the contact that automatically appear in a widget. If you want to change it, tap on this widget, then tap on contact and select the contact that you want to add as a widget on your iPhone home screen. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.